Hey, hello kids, I am here. And, you are watching the kids screen.
Today we are going to learn action sentences. I am eating. I am eating. I am cleaning my face. I am cleaning my face. I am washing. I am washing. I am cooking. I am cooking. I am walking. I am walking. I am running. I am running. I am jumping. I am jumping. I am studying. I am studying. I am listening. I am listening. I am talking. I am talking. I am going. I am going. I am sleeping. I am sleeping. I am thinking. I am thinking. I am watching. I am watching. I am laying. I am laying. I am counting. I am counting. I am loading. I am loading. I am selling. I am selling.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel, The Kids Screen.